The third aspect of Jivan Mukht is life is not today and death tomorrow. We experience them, and they both exist in every moment of every day. If we are saying yes or no to life? And we do that every day, don't we? If we are afraid to try something new, if we say no to life, then we are experiencing hell in life. If we're afraid to take that risk, if we're afraid to open our mind to new ideas and experiences, then we're saying no to life. If we take a risk of doing something that maybe we've never done before, something that we've always wanted to do, maybe a trip or a course or playing an instrument or calling up a friend that we've been alienated from. We take that risk. That's saying yes to life. We're saying yes to life if we embrace new ideas, maybe things that have been scary to us or that we haven't understood, that we research them, we look into it, we open our mind. We ask the person that we don't understand, tell me why you think that way. Instead of just writing them off, try to see life from their shoes. That's saying yes to life. When we have prejudices, when we shut our mind, when we're so sure, when we have stereotypes, we're so sure that we're right. That's saying no to life. That habit of either saying yes or no to life will go with us into death. And if we are being judgmental of others or judgmental of ourselves, then guess what? We are going to judge ourselves at death. If we know how to forgive and let go, we will be able to forgive ourselves in life and at death. When we judge ourselves, what are we doing? We're creating hell on earth, aren't we? When we judge someone else, we're creating hell on earth. We are creating yes to life when we give ourselves affirmations like, I'm worthy. I deserve to be happy. I will take this once in a lifetime trip to Antarctica. You know, we dare to do what we thought we couldn't. Not to be foolhardy and careless, not to know what our limitations are, but sometimes we have to stretch a bit out of our limitations. My husband has a good example for that. When he retired, he is an attorney. When he retired, he enrolled in to become a paramedic. And it's like he started another career. And for 10 years, he rode on the ambulance and he absolutely loved it. it stretched him. And he was saying yes to life, something that he had always wanted to do. He did it. And there are little and big ways that we can do it. It may be a little thing that you haven't done that you've wanted to do. Just do it. My mother lived to be 97, and she taught tap dancing until she was 96. Can you believe it? 96 years old. She's teaching tap dancing. She told me she had to be cremated with her tap shoes on. And so she was. She was cremated with her tap shoes on. My father, on the other hand, he decided that he was too old. And he spent the last years of his life watching TV. And my mother was out doing soup kitchens and teaching tap dancing and playing golf. My father was watching TV. So, they were a good example for me of one person that said yes to life and one person that had said no to life.